There's a very simple mistake that we all make that I think actually hurts conversions. And I think it has a very, very simple fix. So I'm going to use this example for this website. Obviously, they're just an example that I'm picking up, but their key feature is this carry on closet idea. So what it does is this suitcase basically opens up. Actually, this is a better image. It opens up as a closet. So this stuff is actually in the suitcase, and you can actually hang it on the suitcase, or you can hang it in your, in the closet itself. And this is very useful for number of reasons. The first benefit is that you're literally taking it from the suitcase and bringing it out, so essentially you don't have to unpack. The second benefit is that a lot of times people don't have room. If they're visiting a friend, there might not be enough closet space, and so this makes it really easy. It's also easy for repacking when you're done with your trip. So it's a really, really key feature. But, and I think it's the number one reason why people buy it. I'm 100% certain that's why they buy it. But there's a fundamental mistake that we make, and I'll explain to you what it is. So when you come to their feature section, they list all the features, right? So this is the closet feature. So it has, let's say, this much real estate. Then they list this feature, which is your packing feature of the materials in the suitcase, which again, I don't think this is that unique. I think this is unique. I think this is just like any other travel container. We're just a little different spin. They talk about the charging port that you have, which again is a commodity in lots of luggage. Everyone has it these days. They give real estate to opens in a pinch, which I don't even know what that means, and I don't know why it would matter. There's a TSA pre-approved TSA lock, which again is not that special. It has these silent wheels, which again is a commodity. So what's happening is that they have this one core feature. They feel it's odd for the product page to just talk about one feature. So they're kind of giving equal importance in terms of real estate to all of these other features. Now, I am 100% certain that the number one reason why people are buying it is for just that closet feature. Nobody is buying it because the material doesn't break, or how do they know if that doesn't break? Nobody's buying it for the strong wheel type, because that's not what they're coming in with their search intent on, right? And so they saw an ad about this closet idea. It's a very interesting, it's like a very interesting idea, and so that's what brings them to the website. So all of these things are, the problem is that when you give equal importance to five features, you are effectively dividing attention by a factor of five. So each feature is only getting a 20% attention. So the feature that is driving 90% of the purchase decision is getting only 20% of attention, which is a colossal waste of time. And the way to verify this is to actually email your customers and say, hey, tell me the number one reason why you bought the product, and then combine all of those responses and then give each of them a score and then create a list. And if it turns out that 90% of people have bought it for that one closet feature, make sure 90% of your sales pitch is focused on that feature. And this is true for all brands. No, very seldom would people buy you for seven different reasons, right? So focus and nail the one reason and cover it from all different angles. What do you think? Comment so I understand, so I know that you agree with this. If you disagree with it, maybe you have a counter example. If you have any questions, comment and like this video. I will continue posting this stuff. Thank you.